Now, one of the difficulties in printing a big poster, this is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. How do we find that place? Look at this. See, there's this white line, and it goes through on the other side. This is because each piece has a little bit of white. What we need to do is cut this. So that's what I'm going to try to do now. Notice, there's that white line. It should go right on top. So here's what I'm going to do. Cut like this. I have to make it fairly straight. And then it's going to overlap the white line here. I hope you're paying attention to this. So you can see this line, I've taken away the piece. Now we've got to get it lined up over here. So if you look carefully, I can get this lined up, and then I just spoon it over, and it doesn't quite line up because this one is twisted a little bit. But, you know, one thing we can do is put this in place with a little bit of a gap. See, like this, right? And then we can fill in with markers, either black. I think we have some gray here as well. Okay, we'll see the finished product. Now here's a situation that's puzzling. We've got this white border. I've cut the white border here, and when we lay it on top, it seems to match quite well. But something happened here, and this should be slightly wider because it's not lining up, and look at this. So when you have something that doesn't match up, you put white paper underneath and reposition it. Now I found out what the problem was. This had been overlapping too far. I don't know if you can see that. It's supposed to overlap by about this much. See? Just about that much. And it had been overlapping a bit too much. So I just had to take it apart. Now we're going to reassemble it. Finally, now that we've gotten this much, what we can do is get a little closer. And see, can we just put that together there to make it a little O? So that's the final step here. And then we get to say, what did you learn from this course? And we don't have to keep asking that question because it's on the wall. Thank you very much.